Today we're going to be going through some day trading secrets. So right here we see Intel is testing this resistance level right here. So we're going to see that it breaks upwards or goes down from this resistance level. So right here, I'm guessing it will go down from this kind of data that I see right here. So I'm going to be betting that it goes down a little bit. I just have to see that it does go up first a little bit. So I'm going to do a sell right here. And we made a profit of $1,000 pretty much. So as you see, this huge red candle downwards here is it did meet this kind of resistance level and it did not break through. So that was the strategy there, was the resistance levels. You want to really pay attention to these resistance levels when trading. And let's analyze some other stocks. And in Johnson & Johnson, nothing too big is happening. McDonald's maybe. Things are crossing over downwards here a little bit. Testing a few key levels. Nothing too big happening there though. Pfizer. See that things were a little bit rocky here. And now it's going to go down probably, most likely. Back to around this level. It's testing this resistance here again. So we're gonna see it might actually break upwards, okay? But we're not sure about that yet. So we have to see more signals. So we see here that potentially it's gonna cross over upwards, so there might be some small price action upwards. So I might actually just do a buy right here. There we go. So the reason I did that was because there was a crossover right here. And with the crossover, you can kind of just generally tell that if there's a crossover, the sell will go up a little bit. But of course, this level right here is very shaky, I would say. It is going up a little bit. It might be doing a breakout right now. I'm going to actually do this $200, let's say. Let's do a buy. All right, there's another profit right there. Okay, so we're just profiting off this breakout with a very small scalp. I did this risk adjustment really because you can't really do like, you know, certain risk adjustments on pocket options. So the best risk adjustment you can do is actually just to reduce the trade amount. So right here, I reduced the trade amount to about $200 because I wasn't 100% sure that, you know, I could profit on this. I was about, you know, 67% sure that it would go up in that time frame. So for that reason, I put this at $200. So that's definitely one of my secrets that I use is definitely risk management. When I'm not 100% sure that it'll break out, then I'll just reduce the amount that I will trade with. See if it's testing any other critical resistance levels. Maybe this one right here, but yeah, it's still a whiles away from that. So now it'll probably just drop back down for a little bit, and then it might curve back upwards. Amazon, let's say. So on Amazon is just really great price movement upwards. It did cross this resistance level right here by breaking an all-time kind of high, and might break an even further high right now, actually, potentially. And so right here we see that there's a resistance level. So we just mark that right here real quick. Okay, so you see that right here. We also see some other kind of indicators as well. So potentially, right, this one as well. So it's kind of a support level right here where we could potentially buy once it reaches a little bit further down. We're going to see if it tests this support level or not. We're going to do a buy here. And we made another profit right there. As we can see, the support level did, in fact, hold up. So it's very successful. And we see this resistance level is going to be tested soon. And we're going to see about that. Or if it breaks out above it, we might just buy. It might also be a false breakout, which is a little bit riskier. So I'm going to reduce my risk to about $100. Try to see if it breaks out or not. Okay, it's not. Do a sell here. And voila, just another trade right there. So right here, we saw that we just had another trade that was really great. And now let's trade with, now it's not really testing the support level right here. So it's actually falling down further, okay? So what I want to do right now is, I don't think it's just a very good opportunity for trading. So I might trade a different stock now, but we'll see. Let's go to potentially Visa. So Visa right here, it crossed this, it did a false breakout above here, and now it's falling back down, okay? And I might rise up a little bit before it falls down again. I might rise up to around this level again, which is it's around there right now. So I wouldn't say there's any super big price movements going to be they're expected to happen here. So let's go over to some cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin. Okay, right here, I might be testing this kind of resistance level right here, so I might go up a little bit further. Right here, there's nothing too big though. It is kind of curving down on the moving average right here, so we might see some price movement downwards very soon. So I might do a scalp there. Not a very big scalp, but I might do a scalp downwards. Although I do think it will test this resistance level very soon. So I'm just not 100% sure about that, okay? Might just sell right here. Just profit off this little scalp. Let's see if I can profit there. Okay, that wasn't a profit, but it's okay. I just invested $100 into that. That's fine. And now it just fell down a little bit more. So I just did it the wrong time frame. Instead of 5 seconds, I should have done 15 seconds. That would have been substantially better, because as you can see, it's falling down quite a bit right now. Okay. All right, see what kind of levels it's testing right now. It's testing around these levels right now. Now it's going down further. Okay, that's a huge breakout downwards actually. So I should have invested in that realistically, but that's fine. Fear of missing out is really big in crypto. It's fine. Let's see this. So I think that it does have the potential of falling even further potentially. So I just invested $100 in there. It's no biggie if I lose down on this trade, because I made a bunch of other successful trades earlier in this video. Okay, so that's fine. We didn't make that trade successfully, but let's go to Dogecoin. See what's happening here. It's testing this level right here, roughly. So it's going to go up a little bit further, and then it's going to test this level. It might go up. Polkadot. It's likely going to go down. Moving averages are downwards, tilting. And Litecoin right here, it's probably going to go down a little bit. Potentially. This is moving averages here. We see that's going downwards, but it's fine. So the cryptocurrencies were not as profitable as the stocks, but they're fine. So throughout the video, I basically traded the support, resistance levels, and I used the moving averages as additional indicators to do my trades. So if you want to get trading forecasts and things like that, and then get 50% off your first deposit on Pocket Option, go to bitcoin.net right here. So it's bitcoin.net, and you have 50% off when you click this, and you can see plenty of trading forecasts for all these different types of cryptocurrencies right here. So you can trade your cryptocurrency a lot better than I just did right there. So you can see all this data right here for accurate trading predictions. And of course, you get 50% off your first deposit on pocket option, which will save you a lot of money, especially if you deposit a lot of money. So go to bitcoin.net, sign up on pocket option, and these cryptocurrency forecasts for your trading.